Hi, I'm Kathy Stone, and thanks for visiting my video blog, Kathy Makes It Real TV. And today I'm here with Tom Racioppe from PenFed Mortgage, and Tom's going to be telling us about some exciting closing cost incentive programs exclusively offered through PenFed Mortgage. So if you're in the market to buy a home or sell a home, you'll definitely want to hear what Tom has to say. So Tom, tell us about the loan programs that PenFed pays the buyer's closing costs.
We have a 30-year fixed, a 5/5 ARM, and our brand new 15/15 ARM products. And if you use PenFed Mortgage, a Prudential PenFed agent, and PenFed Title, we'll pay your closing costs.
So lots of variety in programs, and the only requirements are that you use a Prudential PenFed agent, PenFed Mortgage, and PenFed Title.
Correct.
Great. And what are the closing costs that PenFed will pay on behalf of the borrower?
We'll pay everything but the escrow, the owner's title policy, the daily interest, and the first year's homeowner's insurance policy.
Wow, that's a lot of closing costs. And is there a limit to how much they'll pay?
Up to $10,000 per transaction.
Up to $10,000. So would you say that would cover most of the closing costs on a $500,000 purchase?
That should cover the majority of it.
That could really help out a home buyer.
Yes.
How does PenFed afford to do this?
Well, we're a credit union and not a bank, so we don't have to pay our stockholders at the end of the year. Any funds that we make or profits that we make, we reinvest into the organization so that we can bring our members lower interest rates.
So you're really there to serve your members and not your stockholders.
Exactly.
And what about the interest rates? Are the interest rates competitive?
Extremely competitive on all three products.
So not only do you get a great rate, you get up to $10,000 in closing costs.
Yes.
And what about origination fees? Are there any origination fees?
PenFed has waived the origination fees on these three products for this particular program.
So no origination fees. And are there any hidden fees, or are these normal conventional loans?
Conventional loan with no hidden fees.
No hidden fees, and a normal conventional loan like you would get from any other bank. Only PenFed picks up to $10,000 in closing costs.
Correct.
Wow, that's exciting. And what about loan amounts? How much can people borrow with these products?
Up to $4 million.
Up to $4 million. So that really covers everyone in every price range.
Mm-hmm.
And if the borrower wants to pay back the loan early, do they have to pay back those closing costs?
During the first 3 years, there's a prorated payback penalty. After the 36th month, there's absolutely no penalty.
So as long as they keep the loan for 3 years, they don't have to pay back the closing costs.
Correct.
And I have one last question for you, Tom. How do these programs benefit my home sellers?
Well, if you're the listing agent on a home and a buyer comes in to look at a home that you've got on the market, they're automatically eligible for this particular program and the $10,000 closing cost help that we give them.
So if it's my listing, the buyer, even though they may be working with an agent from a different company, they can still take advantage of the closing cost incentive program.
Exactly.
That could save my sellers thousands of dollars.
Up to $10,000.
Well, thank you so much for coming in today and explaining these programs to me and my viewers. This has been really interesting and beneficial.
You're welcome.
And if you'd like to learn more or have additional questions, you can reach me at 443-415-6287 or email me at kathy@kathystoneteam.com. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. And remember, Kathy makes it real.